You now understand the infrastructure of AdTech, the pipes and plumbing that move ads around. In this module, we're going to talk about what flows through those pipes, the ad formats themselves, what different types of ads exist, how do they work technically, and how do they vary by device and channel. This matters because format choice is one of the biggest levers an advertiser has. Different formats have different costs, engagement rates, and appropriate use cases. Choosing the wrong format for your campaign goal is like bringing a hammer to a job that needs a scalpel. There are many creative formats in digital advertising. Display/banner is the most familiar. Video is growing fastest. Native blends in. Rich media and interstitials add interactivity. Audio is the new frontier. The IAB, the Interactive Advertising Bureau, defines standard ad dimensions that publishers and advertisers agree to use. Standardization matters because without it, every publisher would need custom-sized creatives, and every campaign would require dozens of unique assets. The medium rectangle, 300 by 250, is the industry workhorse. When you're briefing a creative team on an ad campaign, you'll specify which of these sizes you need. Most campaigns run with the medium rectangle, leaderboard, and skyscraper as a minimum set, covering the majority of available inventory. Video ads are the fastest-growing format in digital advertising, and for good reason. They combine sight, sound, and motion to deliver brand messages in a highly engaging way. Video ad spend is projected to surpass $100 billion globally by 2025, a significant milestone. The main distinction you need to understand is in-stream versus outstream. In-stream video plays within a video player. Outstream video is different. It plays in a standalone player embedded within article text or between paragraphs with no host video. Skippable ads, the kind you can skip after 5 seconds, have lower CPMs but higher user satisfaction. Non-skippable ads, which force the user to watch the full 15 or 30-second spot, have higher CPMs but more user frustration. VAST is the technical standard that makes video ads work across different players and platforms. On desktop web, the primary identifier was the third-party cookie. But cookies don't work the same way in mobile apps. Instead, mobile uses mobile advertising IDs (MAIDs). Mobile advertising is now the largest segment of digital advertising by volume. GAID, Google Advertising ID, is the identifier used on Android devices. IDFA, Identifier for Advertisers, is Apple's equivalent on iOS. Apple's App Tracking Transparency in 2021 significantly disrupted mobile advertising by requiring opt-in consent. SDK integration. Mobile apps integrate software development kits (SDKs) from advertising platforms to enable ad serving and event tracking. Mobile measurement partners (MMPs) like AppsFlyer and Adjust specialize in mobile attribution. When a user sees an ad and then installs an app, the MMP determines which ad campaign gets credit for that install. In-app ad formats include standard banners anchored to the top or bottom of the screen, full-screen interstitials shown between game levels or content pages, rewarded video where users opt in to watch an ad in exchange for in-game currency or content access, and playable ads where users can try a mini version of a game before downloading. Location targeting is one of mobile's greatest advantages. CTV and OTT are where traditional TV advertising and digital advertising are converging. Platforms like Roku, Hulu, Peacock, and Amazon Fire TV are all part of this ecosystem. For AdTech professionals, CTV is one of the most important areas to understand today. DOOH is the digitization of traditional outdoor advertising. The key innovation is that DOOH screens can now be bought programmatically, integrated into digital campaigns, and can display different content based on time of day, weather, or audience data. That wraps up Module 3. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Types of ad creatives: IAB standard ad sizes, video advertising, mobile advertising, and in-app CTV and OTT advertising, DOOH, digital out-of-home. Up next, Module 4, KPIs. Impressions, clicks, conversions, and viewability.